Today I'm going to show you some unique creative ways that you can do a nice DIY Easter basket, which is, streaming away from the typical candy and other things like that. So the first thing I did was I put in some stuffing, and this is stuffing that I reuse every year until, I can't reuse it anymore. There's nothing wrong with recycling. So all you do is just mix it in there, and then when you're finished and your kid has opened up their basket and gone through everything, just take the stuffing and put it back in a nice Ziploc bag. The tissue paper, I'm just using these as a filler, and you can just stuff it around the basket. Now the basket, you can easily go to a store like Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and they have some nice quality baskets available, and you can reuse those as well. The Easter eggs, you go to your local dollar store, you can easily get a nice pack of different types of eggs and candies. I got some carrot gummies, some little carrot candy gummies there. And I also got some Scooby-Doo snacks. And these are different snacks I'm going to use in the eggs. There's Twizzlers there. So get creative other than candy and eggs. And I'm going to show you other things that you can put in the basket that you can use as fillers. And especially if you have like a 3-4-year-old, this is perfect baskets. So what I did is I used Easter egg grass to stuff the eggs, and then I put the candies in them because the eggs are see-through. So it gave it a nice little extra sparkle, a little look, something to look at, something cute. So those are little chickies, little chickie eggs. Now I'm just going to give the basket some color. I'm just taking some eggs, and the golden eggs, I take those out and I put those aside, and I'll be using those for the Easter egg hunt. And that's another game that you can play with the kids. Now I'm preparing for Easter egg hunt, along with making the baskets for my kid. He's gonna have his friend over, and they're gonna have a nice quiet Easter egg hunt. Trying to keep it, simple due to COVID. And this is something very easy you can do, very inexpensive. All the eggs and candy comes from the dollar store. So very inexpensive. It's not a costly project. You don't have to break the bank just so your kid can enjoy Easter. And those are some crayons I put in the basket, different types of colorful crayons. Of course, you gotta represent with the peeps. I put chocolate truck. And that's a bath toy, dollar store. And the dollar store offers so many great little toys and knickknacks. Just something so the kids can, pull different items off the basket. And here's the different thing. I added a My School Years journal to the basket, and this gives a nice touch. And, he's getting ready to go to preschool, so we're getting him ready for school. So when school, gets a little bit more back to normal, he will be all set. And I put a vintage Batman car in there, put some flashcards, and a lot of people don't think about that, but kids like that stuff. Lollipops. I just put a variety of different things. See, basket all done, complete, beautiful. It's full, and it's a variety of different things he can use. Now, this next thing, I'm just showing you what I'm using for the Easter egg hunt. One for my son and one for his friend, and those are available at the dollar store. They have a variety of different types of baskets whether you have a little boy, a little girl, you know, whatever you want to use. So that's just so they can collect the eggs around the yard. And then I picked up some cute little bags, and this is just like a little party favor for his friend to take home when they are done with their Easter egg hunt. And what I'm doing is I'm stuffing the bottom with some tissue paper. Make it nice and full. And these are cute, inexpensive bags that you can find at your local dollar store. And I went ahead and put some crayons by cars. And this is just a cute thank you for coming bag that you can do. I did a nice religious little chocolate bar that has a Happy Easter. It's a nice little card. I went to my local at-home store, bought these inexpensive, beautiful, well-made eggs. At Home has a lot of great products at inexpensive costs. And for this next project, all you're gonna need to use or have is a hot glue gun and some glue sticks, definitely, duh. And all you're gonna do is glue these eggs on to, you know, whatever you want to. I just used an old cross that we used, an old wooden cross that we had around the house. We used for my son's christening. And I just reused it for Easter. And this last project, just to bring some Easter into your home, is it's not an old wreath, but I just made it rather, and I'm just recycling it. I used it for Valentine's Day. I had hearts and stuff and flowers all over it. But it's a 16-inch wire frame. And I just wrapped garland, beautiful garland on it. Used zip ties to attach it. And so easy, quick, guys. I have to show you at a later date how to put this together. Use some jute rope to hang it, okay, off the door. And I'll show you what it looks like, the finished product, when I'm done. Got these beautiful Easter garland from Kirkland's. Kirkland's always has some beautiful products. And not so expensive. And just grab some quick, beautiful Easter garland that was in style for the season, and just decided to wrap it around the wreath that I just made not too long ago to bring in spring. Wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, but just came across this beautiful garland and I was like, wow, this would be so cute. And it just goes with the rest of the Easter decorations that I will be putting out front. And if you just have any questions about any of these quick DIY hacks, projects that you could do around the house for Easter, or just incorporate for your spring cleaning, please go ahead, feel free to leave a comment below and I can answer your question. But this is such an easy project to do. You can use any garland you like. You can switch it out for any season. But for here, I'm using the carrots and bunnies. And then just to put a little final touch, I had an extra egg left over. And as you can see, I put hello on the chalkboard that I had laying around the house. Just added it to the wreath. Thought it would be a nice touch. The chalk is called Chalk Ula. Got it off Amazon. And just showing you how I'm attaching the leftover egg that I had. And I'm using more of the jute rope to attach it, to give it a nice look. And going ahead and just tying it with the little attachment there on the egg. And I'm gonna just wrap it, tuck it through the wire, and I'm gonna attach it and tie it from the other side. Very quick, easy, inexpensive. And there you go. That's the finished project. So cute and easy, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Just little Easter touches for around the house. Well, there you go. Just want to leave you with some quick, easy, simple projects. Nothing major to do around the home. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and you will see us soon with many, many more amazing projects. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.